Hello, Algebra 1. I'm going to try this screencastify. I think I can get it. I have to do it in only 5 minutes, so I got to go fast. Introduction to algebra tiles. These are the magnets I had on my board. We got the big squares, that's x squared. That's the secondary term because you got x, the lengths are in orange and the areas in black. So the side of this square is x and this side's x, and x times x, x squared. The rectangle, that's x times 1. We only have x going in one direction, so that's a first degree term. Area is x. And then here's my constants. There's no x's in here. All we have is a 1 by a 1. So that ends up being my units, my constants. All right. And then we're going to have two different, you got those, and then their alter egos. So they're the positives. Those are in black. Now, in my classroom, the negatives were all red. But on the software we're going to work with, they use the outline in black. So now what does that mean? That means if I have an x, so come here, x, and I had his alter ego, no, not that one. If I had x and negative x, he's his kryptonite, and that's it. They cancel each other out, and x plus negative x is nothing. So they cancel each other out. All right, keep going. All right, so now here we go. Here's a first degree term because the biggest square I got x's. I got two x's, so I got to take two green rectangles over there. That's what 2x looks like. There's one, and two again. All right, so there's two x's. It's a monomial because we only use one type of tile. So we only used one tile twice. So that still makes it a monomial. It's a first degree term. It's a monomial. All right. All right. Now here we go. This is a binomial because it's got two terms. I'm going to use x squared, the blue one, and then negative 2x. So the negative means I'm down here in the red, and I got two x's, so I'm going to use two rectangles. So I got to get a big square, and then two of the red rectangles. One more time. There we go. So that would be x squared minus 2x. That's what it would look like. It's a binomial because we use two different types of tiles. And it's a second degree binomial because the biggest tile that we use is the x squared, which we said were second degree, quadratic. All right. And then, okay, now we can do the addition. So here's x squared minus 2x. That's these guys. And I'm going to add them to these guys down here, x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, I used all three types of tiles, so that makes it a trinomial. There are three different terms. Clone, and I put them together. All right, so there I put them together, but we have to do some canceling because, yeah, the negative rectangles and the positive rectangles are going to cancel each other out, so I got to take those four. I think that's it. And cut. Yep. And now I rearrange. Oops. Take it all with you. I got x squared, and then I got two x squareds, and then an x, and I had two negative ones, makes a negative 2. I think I got an answer down here. 2x squared plus 1x minus 2. 2x squared, 1x minus 2. All right, and then we're going to figure out how to put these things together to do something called factoring.